Hi guys, I know I said I'd post this video tomorrow, but I had some time right now, so I'm going to go ahead and go over your assignments for the second half of the week. Really quick, I want to go over this. The Bolt Yearbook staff wants to hear from you. We are asking that you send in a picture with a short quote to describe your experience during the mandated school closure and or your experience with remote learning. So you can answer any of these questions. Send me a selfie and a quote to my email. Please do that as soon as possible. We would love to hear from you and include you in our coronavirus coverage. Okay, so as you can see over here, all the assignments due this week. In part 1 of the video, you can find the explanation for the career chart and Venn diagram. And let's go ahead and take a look at the second assignment due for this week. Please don't forget your week 4 journals are due this Friday by midnight. All right. Directions and examples are on the Google Doc. You'll need to type your answer on a separate Google Doc and then turn it in here. All right, let's go over the assignment quickly. Assignment description. What you're going through right now will be generationally defining for you. Collectively, our lives have been disrupted by the coronavirus. We are able to finish our school year together in person, and that is upsetting, especially for you seniors. Our lives have been uprooted by a global pandemic. We're being told on the daily by the media that we need to wash our hands often, follow social distancing standards, and wear masks in public. We are living during a strange, scary time. With all of that being said, I've designed this activity to reflect this time in a positive light so that we will have something to remember it by. Directions. Following the rules below, you are going to select one artifact that you would suggest to a historian 100 years from now for an exhibit about this global pandemic. This artifact can be personal, like my examples, which I'll go over in a second, or an artifact that reflects something more significant. You will need to include a picture of your chosen artifact, preferably a picture you've taken yourself, and you need to write a description of your artifact. Write about how the artifact reflects the time we are living in. Aim for your description to be about 5 to 6 sentences. Rule number 1, your artifact can't be anything medical. That would be too easy. And rule number 2, you can suggest something that is unfinished, like a school notebook or something that reflects you personally. Definition of an artifact: a usually simple object resulting from a particular human institution, period, trend, or individual. Examples. I've got 2 here, both pictures that I've taken, so you can kind of see the general layout and see my descriptions. Both of my artifacts that I included are more personal to me. You can include something that you think would be a good artifact that reflects the coronavirus as a whole, or an artifact that you think is more personal to you. I'm fine with whatever. Again, you'll type this up on a Google Doc, try to make it look similar to mine, and then you'll turn it in back over here. Don't forget, this is due tomorrow, and your week 4 journals are due Friday, as well as the worksheet I just went over. As always, email me if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon.